Good morning, everyone. We are Abhisundar, Saravanan, and Fasil from IT department. We are going to implement a project on a turtle package to do an animation circle. This is myself, Abhisundar. I will start with the first few lines of this program. Now we are going to see about the packages of turtle package. The turtle package in Python will come only if you install this package from terminal with pip command dot install turtle. So once you done it, the package will be installed. Now I am going to start the project. First we need to do import turtle. After this command we have to set the background color. So I am using turtle.bg. bg means background color. I am setting black. Then I am using the function painter is equal to turtle. Then we have to assign the speed of the animation. So how it will draw. So I am giving painter.speed. In the bracket I am giving 0 because it will be normal. If we give -1 or 1, the speed varies. If you give -1, the speed goes little bit faster. When you give 1, 2, 3, it will be slower. And I have to use painter.penup. Without this penup option, we cannot do this animation circle. So we are using this penup, and I'm giving painter.left 90. So it will be drawing in the 90 centimeter left side of this animation screen. And the next line we have painter.goto. This is the initialization of this circle where when it we are giving goto means start the circle. So we are giving assigning 0 0. It will be starting in the normal. It will go, the pointer will go to start the circle.
The next command is painter.forward. It means that the pen moves towards the forward and the range between its 100. After that, painter.left. It means that the painter goes towards the left and its angle is 180 degree. The painter.pen down means that pen will stop the work immediately. After that, j is equal to 0 means the code is stopped. After that, for cpp secret in range 2 means for cpp secret is a C++ command is using to implement turtle, and the range is 2. After that, we are using painter.pen color. Pen color means color types of color. In that we are using red.
Okay, now you are seeing that if for I in range, it means the circle radius, it means 150 radius. Now the pointer forward, it is 100. Pointer left, it is 111. It means the pointer will come left hand side. It means left side it is drawing. Now pen up. By giving this pen up command, if the pen is in motion, while lifting the pen we can't write. So that's why we are using the pen up command. So in this command we are not lifting the pen. So in this command we are, if we put any number in this pen up means it will lift the pen up to that point. Okay, if we are lifting the pen means we are missing that 111 means up to -10 like that. So now you are using pointer right. Okay, I think you clear this with this command. Now pointer right, it means it will write up 90 degrees into j. It will multiply that 90 into j like that by using the star command. You know that. Now pointer is equal to pen down. From automatically when the circle is completed, now the pen is stop its work and putting down. So now I am running the command C. So see, I am running. It is drawing the circles. You are seeing that by using that pen. If you are using pen lift up, it will lift the pen. Okay. Thank you.